Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you love styling your hair but worry about heat damage, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 heat protectants that will keep your hair healthy and looking fabulous. Let's dive right in. First up on our list is a favorite among many hair enthusiasts. Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. This amazing bonding oil not only provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit but also strengthens and repairs hair bonds. It's perfect for adding shine, reducing frizz, and enhancing color vibrancy. Just apply a small amount to damp or dry hair before styling. Next, we have an affordable and effective option. Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Spray. This spray is a staple in many households, offering protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It helps shield your hair from heat damage while keeping it smooth and shiny. Simply spray it evenly on damp hair before blow drying or on dry hair before using other heat tools. Our third pick is perfect for those who want a lightweight spray with added benefits. Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Spray. This lightweight spray provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and even offers UV protection. It leaves your hair with a smooth, shiny finish. Spray it on dry hair before using your styling tools. For fans of GHD styling tools, this one's for you. GHD Heat Protect Spray. This spray is designed to work seamlessly with GHD styling tools, protecting your hair from heat damage and maintaining its natural moisture. Apply it to damp or dry hair from root to tip before styling. Last but definitely not the least. Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. This spray is known for its strong protection against heat damage. It helps maintain your hair's strength and elasticity, leaving it smooth and shiny. Just spray it evenly on damp or dry hair before using your heat tools. And there you have it guys. These are the top 5 heat protectants that will keep your hair healthy and gorgeous while you style away. Have you tried any of these? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.